This is part two of patching the stucco. I found this paint in our all the paints that the previous owners left us. They left us a box of stuff, and then I found this stuff just in my general supplies. So I think this is the right color. I opened it earlier, and I'm just going to shake the heck out of it. I shook it earlier, so it's just kind of more of a reshake. But I think this is it, and this stuff is interior or exterior paint, if you can see. And I think this is pretty much the color. At least it's close enough for me. So you can see there's a little speck of it right here, and then kind of the color of the thing. And so there we go, that's probably a little better. It's close enough that I think the amount of painting that I need to do. And then I'm going to put a little dab on top of here, so if I need to do a color match, I can do that. I've shaken the can really good. Again, this is indoor outdoor. I'm just gonna do one thing before we even start. This is old paint, but it seems to be okay shape. What I want to do is I'm just gonna take a bit of this brush, and anytime you get paint, you should always do this. That way they can always do a color match, because what I'm finding is this paint's so old that some of these textures don't even exist. So I'm just gonna put a drop of it here, kind of a putting it towards the bottom here. Hopefully that's a good spot. As you can see, we're just going to let that dry, and then I'm going to go through, and so here's the paint. It's pretty well shaken. It's got a few flakes in it. I really don't care that much. We're going to try to paint one of the areas. So probably can see it, but right here is where I painted, and to be honest, I can't tell that much. I mean, if I'm really looking for it, I can find it. I get really close. Some kids. Yikes. Anyways, yeah, I mean, the farther you get away, the less noticeable it is. So I think this is the color. I can't do the rest of the house right now because the sun's beating on it. But this is how you patch it. Find some paint that's close and throw some paint on it. It's pretty much that simple. Alright, so we got our bucket, just a little bit of paint here. It's not going to really take much to get this done. I might need a little more, but all I'm doing is put it on there. A little more in there. It'll peel off, I'm sure. Alright, I ended up putting a little more in there because I got 2 more spots to do after this, but you can see it's really cleaning up pretty quickly. I'm doing this just before sundown, but it's going to be a warmish night, so I think it'll be alright. So that area's done. So I forgot to film an outro for this. So anyways, that's how you paint. I didn't put any primer down. I just painted with the outdoor paint. It's been a couple weeks now, and so far so good. We'll see how it stands up over the winter, but that's it. That's how you repair stucco, I guess. Put a little stucco on there, let it dry, paint it, let it dry, and move on with your life. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hit the buttons you're supposed to push, and go get a chore done. Bye.